Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. I'm posting this a little late. I know it's just that I've been very busy this afternoon, but at least we were able to catch this morning a couple of entries. Markets were red today, but at the end of the afternoon, the market actually ended up going our direction. I was looking for buys, and I'm gonna tell you what. Right here, this is basically the VIP group. This is where I post all my setups. And I even posted this setup this morning. Look at this. I posted on a free group. And I was getting prepared for that buy. Look at nice order block. Of course, this I sent this picture on a 15-minute, but the order block was on a 1 hour. Okay, this order block, it's a 1 hour OB. And I was predicting the market to come back down, touch it, still inside the flag, and then break the flag. So today actually gave us two opportunities. Either you could have entered either on the order block or at the breakout. Okay, I did send it to the team. I didn't say especially. Now look, I didn't say especially right here or on the free group. I didn't tell them exactly that I was making my position. I was making my entry. If you guys been following me, what I'm trying to do here, whenever I send a setup like this, you should know what to do at this point. I mean, based on everything I've been showing on my YouTube channel, okay, on free content that I've been posting, if I send a picture like this, you should already know what to do, and that's what I'm trying to do. It's try to make it. I'm trying to make this thing fun. Okay, I'm not just giving the setup and the entry or anything like that. I do post all that information on the VIP, right? The entry and everything, which it was. Hold on. Thing is getting a little slow. I had a loss today on Nasdaq, and I will explain you why. Market on Nasdaq was actually dropping. This is when S&P was actually touching it right there. So I'm gonna show you what Nasdaq did. It did a little dirty move. It was the only one that was affected the most by this news today. We had some big reports today. All of these reports actually affected the Nasdaq, mostly the Nasdaq. US 30 still went down, S&P still went down a little bit. Like it didn't react as Nasdaq did. But I'll show you here just right quick on a 15-minute time frame what I was seeing. So first of all, these are the sessions. So pretty much since yesterday, a couple of days, since Monday. Today is Wednesday, so since Monday, market's been completely bullish. You can see a very strong push here, even pushing up during Asian session, which was very weird. And then now it started to do a little pullback right there. And I was seeing on that pullback, I was seeing a flag. Okay, on everywhere. I saw the flag on Nasdaq, I saw the flag on S&P, I saw the flag on US 30. Everything was actually showing a nice little flag formation. Now, what happened? I did make an early entry, and I'm gonna show you why I did the entry. The market, we actually had right here. Look at this zone. Maybe perhaps because this was already mitigated, but there was a nice also order block on a 1 hour there. Going to the 50-minute, you can perhaps refine it a little bit, which is what I did. I was actually trying to refine it, like going to the 50-minute right here, and that's what I did. So when the price was touching the zone, I made a position on a buy. Okay, a small position, waiting for the market to actually start doing its thing, maybe pushing up. But no, when the New York session opened and these reports are starting to come out right there, market has started reacting negatively. Like it tried to push up, but then it rejected this whole area right here. And I was like, oh man, when I was seeing this struggle right here, I was just still kind of waiting to see what's going to happen, if it was going to react the channel or not. But no, it actually ended up breaking. So my entry, my stop loss was right here. My entry was right here. I just left those two lines in there to remember. So hold on. My first position was somewhere here. It's a little late. The stop was about here, and the take profit was about this high. Right? I was kind of like going for a 1 to 5 risk to reward, right? But you see now why I was going to a buy. Now, I'm also tell you, and I've been saying it since Monday, guys, this is the NFP week. So what does that mean? If you've been following me for, not for too long, for at least maybe, I don't know, maybe a month or 2 months ago, I've been saying this a lot. Markets and inflation is still bad, okay? Everything is still bad. Right here, this was the NFP. This is the previous NFP. We had a big ass crash. Look at what happened. The market normally goes up very strong before it crashes with the NFP or CPI report, depending on what type of report we're having. But you see the price actually pushes up very strong. This may look like an artificial push, because why would the market be pushing up? Right? So it's either just a momentary bullish little uptrend. Price normally for that entire week normally goes up and then it crashes, right? It's like literally preparing for the drop, because market makers know things are bad, and these reports are most likely going to be coming negative, and it will affect a lot. So NFP, CPI report, then maybe we have Jerome Powell is speaking. So, big news will cause big crashes. So I said it since Monday. I said it that I believe the markets will be pushing up all the way up until Friday. And then on Friday, we're going to have a crash. So yes, I was looking to buy. And the setups today were definitely really, really nice for buys. Right here. This is getting very slow for some reason. All right, so same thing. I spotted that was an order block on a 1 hour, right? This is an entry that is still open, but of course I'm more than satisfied right now, right? Because I was able to make actually 2 entries. I entered first right here. I made 1 position, then the price started going and reacting. I saw that reaction in there, started getting in, so I made more positions on a buy. And after the breakout, of course, I also got in after the breakout, because that's my thing. If you've been following me also, the TP strategy is based on breakouts. So since I've been a breakout trader for a long time, I'm still I almost don't trade as a retail trader, but hey, this entry right here, making this entry was definitely a retail trader entry. So that's fine. Of course, the stop loss was actually below this previous low right here, but everything is on break even right now. This entry is on break even. I was able to take partial profits all the way to the top. I closed a decent size of position all the way right now, and I'm gonna hold it until tomorrow. Let's see what's gonna happen. This one, it's also on break even. I don't think the price will get to this zone, but if it happens, it happens. If it comes back down, it comes back down. That is it. There's nothing I can do, and I don't care at this point, to be honest, what is going to happen. If it comes back down, I'm on break even. So this is a risk-free trade, and this is what I'm teaching. Markets were completely, as I mentioned, like today they were all red. Now they're starting to turn green. Like they started pushing up after 11 a.m. in the morning Eastern time. They started actually pushing up. The same happened with Nasdaq, right? But of course, it was a lot late. It was after. It started pushing up after stopping us out. So it's because of the reports. Understand that. S&P also played out nice. The flag did actually, it was respected. And it was really nice. It was just simple price action right here. We can see there's a breakout of the structure and retest. Right? Simple setup right here. I did post this on my Instagram. Just make sure to follow me also on my Instagram. I'm trying to get it to 1,000 followers in there. I'll be giving away 10 bundles, guys. Those who are interested in knowing how I'm actually trading right now, trading smart money concept, and you want to be part of the team, you can actually go on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You'll find out that I'm offering a bundle right there. And if you want to get it now, if you want to just maybe wait a little bit, maybe until my account actually reaches that 1,000, my Instagram account reaches the 1,000 followers. I will be giving a giveaway there. I'll be giving away 10 bundles. The bundle comes with my course, my mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. So if you want to get early access to that thing, there's an offer right now. It's a 20% discount. For only $96, you have full access and you'll be part of the team forever, okay? So I hope, guys, you like this type of content, what I'm showing you here. If you want to maybe just simply follow me on my free Telegram group, you can just do it right here by just going on the description below. You will find out the link. And I do post setups every single day, okay? I do explain them as well, try to do some breakdowns in there, so you guys can learn at least for free, all right? I understand. So thanks again, guys. Well, forgot to mention, yeah, this entry is still open, okay, as well on S&P. This was a breakout right here. The order block did not, like, you see the order block was actually right here, but it got a little deeper. However, the flag was still there, so I was paying more attention at a certain point. I was paying more attention to US 30, so I entered on the breakout when US 30 was also breaking this thing. I was actually making the position on the buy. Stop loss below this previous little low right there. TP 123 this time, still holding it. This is on break even already, and taking partial profits at the high. So that was basically it. It's a simple breakdown. And so I mentioned, getting prepared for Friday. Tomorrow is Thursday, reversal Thursday. It's interesting to see what's going to happen tomorrow. Of course, keeping an eye on the reports. Maybe these two right here. Normally when they are red, they are the strongest. But hey, you got to watch out these two right here. At least just to see what type of reaction we're going to have. But as I mentioned, I think we're going to continue bullish pretty much. And maybe, who knows, maybe reaching this top right here. I don't know if it's too far. I think that's way too far for the price to actually reach it. US 30, let's see. Yeah, US 30 is also very far from this order block right here at the top. It's very, very far. And Nasdaq, very far also. I don't know. A lot of things can happen. Maybe on NFP, I don't know. Maybe the price will end up actually pushing up just to touch the OB and then crashing. But I strongly believe we're going to have a crash on Friday because things are still the same. It's going to be very weird if it pushes up, but hey, we're going to be here. Depending on the setup we're going to see on Friday, we go for buys or we go for sell, baby. That's what we do. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Give it a big thumbs up. Motivates me to keep posting content for you guys here for free. And if you're new on the channel, please subscribe and make sure to follow me on my free Telegram group. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, guys.